Good morning. Good morning, Miss Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Good morning, baby. Oh my. Girls got the rabbits area all cleaned up and some food. Honey's eating his. And Dwayne already ate his. Get better so that we can go back outside. Agree. The kids and I came out. We've got all the stalls cleaned up for the day. We're gonna bring the cows in now and get them ready to be haltered and walked for a little bit. It's been a while since we've had them on halters since it's been so cold. Harlow's doing a good job. Bridget's doing a really good job. Proud of her. Allie's doing good. Dove's doing good. We walked all the girls, walked them back to their stalls to get their halters taken off, and now we're gonna walk them out of the barn so they can hang out the rest of the day until it's bedtime. I'll get her. We also got the cows some more hay, so they're filling up on that before bedtime. Lana's doing a good job collecting eggs for us today.
This is all from the big coop.
Nice. Luca's cleaning the bantam coop. Lennox helped get the big coop scooped, and she decided she hates the chickens and that we could get rid of them, and that's a chore she would never like to do again. I'm out here checking, making sure the chickens have water, and we've got a few more one-legged girls out here. I don't know why they don't just go into their coop if they're that cold. They're not even standing in the sunshine. And we've got these ladies perched up here trying to stay warm too. Literally the coop with the light on's right there. We had 3 cracked eggs, so Dwayne is getting a snack. They're all ready for him. We're gonna let them cool and then feed them to him.
Come here, Dwayne. Ow. You missed the egg. Right.
Hallie, you're laying so weird. Are you okay? All right, pretty girl. Good night, Bantams. Time for bed, ducks. Good night, girls. So we've got the cows put up. Luca's given Harlow her bottle. I brought some hot water out for them. We'll give them some treats, and then it'll be bedtime. The girls are all enjoying their treats and will soon be ready for bed. We hope you guys have had a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.